Hello, welcome back again. This is HBM. So today I want to teach you guys how you can actually make a fat burner drink. There are ways I took this drink and they work very well. They help me to blast off my pregnancy fat, belly fat, and trust me, right now, despite the fact that I have a 5-month-old baby, I've gone back to my normal shape. This drink is actually a common drink, but so many people overlook it. Let me say, they just look at this drink as a juice, but trust me, if you make this drink the way I made it and you listen to my direction on how to use it, this drink will serve more than being just a juice to you. For those of you that want to lose fats, it's going to help you a lot. So just listen to how watch the video on how I made it and listen to how I used to take this drink, and trust me, you're going to see that this will work for you a lot. It's going to work for you a lot. It's actually a popular drink. Even most of you, I'm sure most of you may know how to make this drink, but just watch the way I made mine and listen to how I used to take it, and trust me, it's going to do the work for you. So whether you're a mother or not, you can take this drink. Anybody can take this drink. It doesn't have side effects aside from a pregnant woman. If you're pregnant, do not take, okay? But anybody can take it, and it has many other health benefits it gives to the body. So this is what I take for now. I don't take any other drink. It is what I take as my drink. I make this plenty and I put in my freezer, and I'm good to go. So watch the video to the end, and do not forget to share this video and give us a like. Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel, and yeah, I actually want to make zobo, and I have some pineapples here. I have about 12 pieces of Cotonou pineapple here. All this pineapple for my zobo. So you guys should watch the video to the end. Please like and share the video. All right, let's move. So this is the water I'll be using to wash all this pineapple. First of all, I'm going to add in salt in this water, and if you have vinegar, you can actually add vinegar. So I'm going to put in a lot of salt to do the first washing, then I do the second washing. Before we start, we continue with the process. So yeah, my pineapple peel. Yeah, these are my washed pineapple peel. It's a whole lot, like a whole lot. So this is the pineapple itself. Yeah, the pineapple itself, like it's a whole lot also. Sorry, everywhere is wet here. So this is the pineapple itself. I'm going to blend this and extract the juice out of this. So I'm about to do the second washing. You have to be fast at this point. Ginger, I'm going to be adding in my ginger. I need to bring clove. Clove, do that please. So here is my clove. I'll be adding in my clove. guys, this is my sieved zobo. I've actually sieved this zobo. This zobo is very thick. I decided to make it very thick because I'll be dropping ice block inside this zobo whenever I want to take it. And of course the ice block is still going to dilute it, and if I make this zobo too much, there will not be enough space to preserve this zobo in my freezer, because I usually keep this in my freezer. So this is how it is right now. I'm going to add in my other ingredients. So this is my juice pineapple. Let me say juiced. Is it juiced? Anyway, this is my pineapple juice. I used the pineapple back, like I added the pineapple back into the zobo while I was boiling it. And this is the juice. I blended the pineapple itself, and I extracted the juice. I sieved it. I sieved this already, just the way I sieved my zobo. Please, this is actually sieved. I sieved this zobo twice, and I use pineapple to sweeten my zobo. So pineapple will sweeten my zobo for me. I also used to add dates, but I don't have dates, so I'm using only pineapple, and that's why I have enough of pineapple juice. So yeah, I'm going to add this into my zobo. And one thing happens when you add pineapple juice into your zobo, it actually reduces the color of your zobo. Like you can see this zobo was somehow dark, very dark in color, but now it is lighter. And I understand what happened actually. You know, pineapple is acidic. As a skincare formulator now, I understand the pH of pineapple is very high, so whenever it comes in contact with hibiscus flower, it usually makes your hibiscus flower to become brighter. So yeah, I'm gonna stir this now. Go and go small. No. So how I take this drink is that early in the morning when I wake up, instead of taking water, I take 1 full cup of this drink. And I observe that anytime I take this drink, or since I started taking that drink this way, I go to toilet freely. Anytime I go to toilet, you know, my belly becomes very free. Just going to make you to excrete out or defecate out a lot of things. And I also take this drink in between my meals. I take let me say 3 cups in a day. In the morning on an empty stomach, or before I eat. I take it in the afternoon. I take it in the night, let me say 1 hour before I go to bed. And the next day when I go to toilet, when I visit my toilet and I defecate, my tummy becomes very flat. And I started noticing that I started going back into shape. I started having a very flat tummy just by taking this sweet drink. And trust me, this drink is actually a popular drink, but I think it's the way everybody processes their own that differs, or let me say it's the way you take it that differs. But I've been taking this constantly and it's working fine, and that is just the secret. That is the only thing I am taking for now. Probably when I stop breastfeeding, I'm going to switch to something else, but trust me, this hibiscus drink is actually doing the work.